If you want to create a drop-down menu with many options, it's best to place those options in a separate spreadsheet. This keeps everything organized and makes the list easier to manage. In this example, a new spreadsheet is created and named Months, where a simple list of month names is entered. This list will be used as the source for the drop-down menu. Once the list is ready, switch back to the main spreadsheet where the drop-down is needed. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Go to the Data tab, open Data Tools and select Data Validation. In the window that opens, stay on Settings and choose List as the validation type. Now you need to tell Excel where the drop-down options are located. Click the icon next to the source box, move to the month spreadsheet, and select all the month names you want included. Press Enter to confirm the selection, then click OK. The drop-down menu is now created, and the cell allows you to choose only from the listed months. Any other input will be blocked, keeping your data clean and consistent. Next, let's create a simple drop-down list with only 2 options. This is useful for short answers like yes or no. Click into the cell where this drop-down should appear. Go back to the Data tab, select Data Validation, and choose List again. This time, instead of selecting cells from another spreadsheet, type the options directly into the source box. Enter yes and no, separated by a comma. Click OK, and the drop-down list is instantly ready to use. With these 2 methods, you can easily create both long and short drop-down menus in Excel. Whether your options are stored in another sheet or typed directly into the settings, drop-down lists help control input, reduce errors, and make your spreadsheets easier to use and understand.